Growing $200 to $1,000. This is day 3 and 4. Since I'm trading on the daily, sometimes the 4-hour and the 1-hour trades I place off the daily, I won't be able to update them as quick. Trying to do a daily update of growing $200 to $1,000 is gonna be kind of hard because again, I'm placing trades off of the daily, so sometimes they will take a while to finish, either hit the target profit or hit the stop loss. The trades I take on the hourly or the 4-hour, those will kind of come quicker, of course, but this is the update. Here's an update of the history. As you can see, AUD CAD here with the 0.1 lot size. That one closed at a loss. Here's the screenshot so you can see it again. This is what AUD CAD looked like when I closed it. So you can see in the screenshot above, you can see the position where I sold at the gray bar, which is the resistance zone, because I waited for a break and retest. You can see I sold in that blue arrow on the green candle. That is where I closed the position at a loss of 11 bucks. You can also see had I not closed it, I would have lost $20, but I only lost 11. So between the AUD CAD sell and also the buy that I had a while ago from the first video, you can see I would have lost $40 total, but instead I really only lost about $16 in total. That is great risk management. I'm gonna highlight a couple of other trades that I took that highlight good risk management. I decided to close those early because my trading analysis was no longer valid. Price had broke the zone, and so I thought that it would continue up, and I was right. So that was AUD CAD. This is the terminal the next day on April 9th. This was yesterday. I was up about $300. If I closed everything, my balance would have been at $500, as you can see. The US 30 or the US Dow was the reason why I'm significantly in profit. You can also see USD CAD. That trade is actually working out pretty well. In total, it's about $50 right now in profit. But again, with those positions, what I did is I extended the target profit further because I'm trying to hold winners longer, because my whole goal is to hold winning trades longer and close losing trades earlier so I don't take a full stop loss. Now, even though some people might disagree, I'm risking 10% per trade. Again, like I've explained in the past video, I'm risking 10% per trade. I'm not always going to lose 10% per trade because I'm cutting losers early when they no longer are valid. I really only lose maybe like $5-10, 50% of the stop loss, 5% to 2% per trade if I close the trades early, and I'm adding into winners to make that 10%, more like 20% if I do catch a good winner. So that past screenshot of the $300 in profit, that was yesterday. I just basically let the trades play out. As of this morning, this was around 11 or 12. This is the terminal now. Is at like 180 bucks. It still currently floats around that price. You can see I added Euro JPY, that's a new trade. I sold on that. In USD CHF, I bought, and you can see there's 2 positions of USD CHF because I bought when I added into profit. So I'll explain those in the next slide. So I'm gonna explain USD CHF first. This is a zoomed out version of USD CHF. This is on the daily. This is when I placed the trade. I placed it on the daily time frame. And as you can see, price to me looked like it was bouncing at these little areas on the gray bar. It would bounce, come back, bounce, come back, bounce, come back, bounce. So what did I do? I bought when it came down to that zone. It hit my alert on TradingView. I opened it up and entered the trade. This is a zoomed in picture of USD CHF so you can see the specifics. The first arrow down here was actually a really good position. This is on the hourly, as you can see on the top left. And so about 30 minutes to an hour went by, and I looked at USD CHF, saw that it like instantly bounced. It really spiked from this zone. So I added into it. The first position, again, like I have stated before, I moved the stop loss to break even. So if it does go back down, that position loses at break even. But the second position that you can see above it, that one will still be in profit, and it'll be just like the first position, just a little bit of a shittier entry, and it's gonna be a little bit higher, but it's how you make winners bigger. So that is why I bought USD CHF. Now for Euro JPY. Euro JPY, this one I feel pretty good about. I took this trade off the daily, so I sold off the daily zone. The gray area again is what I think to be resistance. I woke up this morning, I placed Euro JPY and USD CHF today as of April 10th. I clicked on the position to show how much I'm risking. I'm risking $20 to make $20. From my experience, what I've learned is when price is very bullish, or it has one big candle going into a zone, whether it's support or resistance, usually those break through pretty quickly. They don't really respect the zone as much, just in my experience. And so with Euro JPY, to be honest, I might close this one sooner. It looks like it might just push past the zone and not really care about it. So this one I will be watching closely, but I do think that it's a really good trade. I also wanted to update you guys on the Dow, the US 30 position that is the main reason for the significant profit that I have right now for this account. This is a screenshot of it on the H4, and this is a screenshot of the 1 hour just to really give you the specifics. For right now, I have no reason to close this trade. It's in a significant profit. I'm not going to get into my head and be scared and think that it's going to go back to break even and close it early for whatever reason. Again, when a trade is in profit, I'm just going to hold it to the target profit. Sometimes I will close early if it's in profit, if I'm like, wait, this really looks like it's not going to continue further. If price on the 1 hour, I typically manage trades on the 1 hour. If on the 1 hour it's making lower highs and equal lows, typically I will close there, because to me, in my own experience, I feel like that signifies that price is going to drop. And so again, this is the update on the terminal as of right now. And so what am I going to do? I am just going to hold all of my positions and see how they play out. Any trades that go into loss, I'll manage them. I'll probably close them early, and I'll update this account. Thank you.